Hi everyone, my name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. In this video we're looking at how to use distraction-free writing mode in Thrive Architect. Before we start though, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also check out the link in my description for my free course on affiliate marketing and how to make money online. So yeah, so when you're writing a blog post or you're just writing stuff on your website, usually you're working within boxes like text boxes, and it can be really sort of claustrophobic kind of thing. So what in Thrive Architect they've got a distraction-free mode, and what that does, it just kind of opens it up so you're able to type in without all the borders and everything getting in your way. So once you're in your text box, go to your typography bar, click the three dots, choose distraction-free mode, and that's it. It opens up and you can type in like it's Google Docs or Word or something. It just opens up. And that's it. And it just makes it easier to type without all the borders and the boxes kind of sort of distracting you. So yeah, it's a cool little feature. So yeah, once you're done, that's it really, and then save, go back to how you want it before, to normal mode, and you're done. Cool. My name's Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also check out the link in my description for my free course in affiliate marketing and how to make money online. Thanks, I'll see you in the next video.